Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy an application using Microsoft Intune and make it available to users through Company Portal. So the first thing we're going to do is from our Intune Admin Center, we're going to go to Apps, and we're going to go to All Apps, and you're going to create an app. These are apps I've created from before. So from here, we're going to go to Create, and we're going to select Microsoft Store App, New, Next. So from here, we're going to select an app. So let's do Adobe Reader DC. Let's search for Adobe. We're going to do Adobe Reader DC. I'm going to select it. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So this is where we're going to configure our app information. We can leave everything on default. We're going to hit next. From here, this is where we're going to do our app assignment. So we want this app to be available for only enrolled devices. So here, we're going to go to Add Group. We're going to select Test Users. And we're going to make sure it's active. And we're going to click Next. So from here, we're going to review so we can see that it's available for enrolled devices. And then once you're done, you're going to create. So once that's completed, I'll go on my test devices and I'll show you guys how to install the application. So after you create the application on Intune, you're going to go to your device and we're going to open Company Portal. As you can see here, I have Company Portal on my taskbar. And if for some reason you're not seeing the application, you can go to your settings and sync it to Intune. But from here, as you can see here, I have a couple apps downloaded, and here's Adobe. So I'm going to go to Apps, All Apps, and here's Adobe, and I'm going to hit Install. And pretty much here, you wait for the installation to complete, and once it's completed, you're going to get a confirmation that the application has been installed. So this pretty much demonstrates how Intune allows organizations to deploy application and gives users the ability to install them on demand through Company Portal. As you can see here, I can see that my application is installing. So for more advanced deployments, application can be packaged as Win32 apps to allow custom installs, command, and detection rule. But for this one, we're just doing pretty much a basic installation push through Company Portal. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And that's how you install an application from Intune through Company Portal, and users can install the application themselves. So if you guys find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.